Hi, this is Robin, just showing off the runway lights that I created for my dog. The box was printed. It's a 3D printed box. Basically, I printed it custom to fit a PIR sensor and then a microcontroller that goes in the box. As well, you can see the wiring that's coming out. One wire's heavier wire, longer, so that I can have the lights on one side of a ramp, and then one shorter because this is where the box is going to go on this side of the ramp. And then the third cable coming out is going to power. Basically, the way this works is it's based on motion. So you can see that the chaser lights are happening right now. So we would have chaser lights on both sides of the ramp. I believe it goes 5 times, and then if there's no motion, it actually turns itself off. So we're just going to see here if it shuts itself off in a second. One more, I think. Might be 10 times. And yeah, so then it goes dark. So basically at that point it's dark. What happens though if the motion sensor picks up some motion? So if I move my finger in front of the motion sensor, we can see that the lights start chasing again. So with this, then what'll happen is the dog going outside will trigger the light, and then she'll be able to see where the ramp is going down the ramp, and then go do her business. And then when she comes back, hopefully the motion sensor will pick her up coming back, and then show her the ramp. Hopefully all of this won't scare her. That would be the other part of it, but we're going to see what happens. Anyways, I hook this up, and then my next video I'll show how this is all working. Thanks for watching.